In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam when your PS5 controller is showing Xbox buttons. This is a common issue that many gamers encounter when they try to use a PlayStation controller on Steam, and today I'm going to walk you through the steps to resolve this in just a few minutes. First, begin by opening your Steam app. If you haven't already, make sure you have the application installed and up to date on your PC. Once you've opened Steam, you'll want to head to the login page. Now click on that login button you see on the screen. This will prompt you to enter your account credentials. Go ahead and enter your account name and password. If you don't remember your password, now is a good time to use the forgot password link to retrieve it. Once done, click on the sign in button. If everything checks out, you'll be redirected to your Steam homepage. From here, navigate over to the library section. The library is where all your games are conveniently housed, so let's head there now. Once in the library, select the specific game you're eager to play or have been experiencing these controller issues with. Simply right click on the game title in your list. This will open up a menu with a variety of options. From this menu, you'll need to select Properties. Once you're in the Properties menu, look for the Controller tab. It's usually one of the tabs running along the side or top of the window, so take a moment to locate it. Once you've found it, click to open it up. In the controller settings, you'll likely see a drop-down menu. Here's where the magic happens. Click on the drop-down and choose the option Disable Steam Input. By disabling this feature, you're essentially telling Steam to stop interpreting your PlayStation controller as an Xbox One. Now that this is configured, you should be ready to go. By disabling the Steam input, your PS5 controller will no longer show Xbox buttons, and you'll be free to enjoy your game just how you like it, using your PlayStation controller. This setting should remain effective for any future sessions with this game, but remember, if you encounter this problem with another game, you might need to repeat these steps. And there you have it, folks. With just a few quick actions, your PlayStation controller should now work seamlessly with Steam games without showing Xbox buttons. Enjoy your game time, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful gaming tips. Thanks for watching and happy gaming.